Hey guys, I am doing an unboxing. Got a new knife today, so I'm gonna do an unboxing out in the woods because my room is a mess. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I got the M390 Delica with me today. Won this on a Life Through Glass raffle. So we're gonna open this up. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes, so I'm gonna do this quick. That just slices right through. Alright, so as you can see, I have added a Strider to the group of knives. So I picked up one of the new run Striders made out of Mick's shop instead of one of the production runs. Well, still production, but you guys know. So it's an SnG with the tiger stripe, not ghost stripe, so it's sandblast, it's bead blasted and coated, so not the stonewash and bead blasted. So it is the CTS 20CV version. Striped titanium handle for the lock side and then coated aluminum for the show side. So really stoked on having another Strider. I was in the group and I just had to get another one. So it's nice, it's pretty smooth. Let's see if we can, yep, middle finger flick. Haven't been doing YouTube very much lately. Been just busy and haven't had a lot of content, honestly. Mostly been, honestly, haven't changed out knives too much. I got this last week and I picked up one of the Gavco mass drop knives. So it's just been, I don't know, haven't been buying very many knives, but I've been getting the itch and I ended up pulling the trigger on a new Strider. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.